FG says for subsidy savings has been absorbed by rising debt costs. Also, today marks the deadline for insurance firms to meet NICOM's recapitalization requirements. Also, NNPC is set to acquire Seplat's 10% joint venture stake for $281.6 million. And on the international scene, Meta has posted strong quarterly earnings driven by AI and advertising growth. Let's get into the details. The federal government says the savings from the removal of fuel subsidies and the unification of the foreign exchange market have largely been absorbed by rising debt servicing costs and increased government spending. According to the Minister of Finance and Coordinating Minister of the Economy, Wale Edun, the reforms have improved government revenue and strengthened public finances. However, he says much of those gains have gone into servicing existing debt and funding key government priorities. Despite the challenges, the government says it maintains or remains committed to reforms aimed at stabilizing the economy and attracting more investment. Moving on, today is the deadline for insurance companies to comply with the National Insurance Commission's recapitalization requirements. The exercise is expected to strengthen the financial capacity of insurance firms, improve their ability to settle claims, and boost confidence in the industry. Attention is now on NICOM as stakeholders await the regulator's verdict on companies that have met the requirements and the next steps for those who have not. Also, in the oil and gas sector, the Nigerian National Petroleum Company Limited is set to acquire Seplat Energy's 10% stake in a joint venture for $281.6 million. The deal is expected to increase NNPC's ownership in the venture and support efforts to boost crude oil production while strengthening Nigeria's upstream oil and gas industry. And finally, tech giant Meta has reported stronger than expected quarterly earnings, thanks to continued growth in artificial intelligence and digital advertising. The company says its AI-powered tools are helping businesses run more effective adverts and improve customer engagement. Contributing to another strong financial performance, Meta also says it will continue investing in AI as competition in the sector continues to grow.